Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys on how I prepared this yummy popcorn chicken. Thank you so much for stopping by. If today is your first time of being here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica Rema, and to my old subscribers I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for your love and support. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. So here I've got 500 grams of chicken breast. So using a strong turning stick, I will just beat the chicken a bit to loosen it. This helps the chicken to be soft after frying. I'll just give it a random beat, then I will start the cutting. Now I will cut it into smaller pieces, into a 1 bite size. So that is just the perfect size to cut it, especially if you have children, so it will be easy for them to pick. You can as well cut it into any size of your choice, but the smaller the better. The full list of the recipe is stated in the description box below. So this is the chicken after cutting it. This is just the perfect size to cut it when making this popcorn chicken recipe. I've already washed it before cutting. To the chicken I'll add salt, chili pepper, black pepper, white pepper, seasoning, ginger paste, garlic paste, ketchup, and milk. Using my turning stick, I'll give this a proper stir. You can as well use your hand and massage everything together. Make sure everything is very well combined. But I'm using my turning stick. I'll just give it a proper stir and make sure everything here is very well combined. Now I will add lemon juice. This is optional, or you can as well use vinegar in place of this. This helps the chicken to be soft after frying. Finally, I will add egg. I'll give this a stir. Stir very well and make sure everything in there is properly combined. So once everything is very well combined, I'll cover it and allow it to marinate for at least an hour. But to this, I'll be setting it in the fridge and allow it to marinate overnight. It all depends on your time factor, but the longer it marinates, the better. So I'll put this in the fridge and allow it to marinate overnight. So this is the chicken after it has stayed in the fridge overnight and is ready to be fried. Remember, if you're keeping the chicken to marinate for a very long time like this one, you have to put it in the fridge to avoid the chicken from getting spoiled. Now in preparing the coating, I have a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is optional, but this gives it that golden and appetizing look after frying the chicken, but it's totally optional. Now I'll start coating the chicken with the prepared flour. In doing this, I will just add the chicken and gently coat it with the prepared flour. This is just as easy as I'm doing it. Gently, just let the flour touch the whole part of the chicken and you are good to go. So I'll just be doing it batch by batch. Sometimes if I have a large working space, if I'm using a large mixing bowl, I can add the whole chicken or half of the chicken at a time and it makes it easier. But I'm just taking my time step by step for you to see what I am doing. So this is the second batch and this is just as easy as that. Once the chicken is well coated with the flour, I will just remove it and set aside and pick another one. Just like that and it is done. So I will repeat the same process until I'm done coating the whole chicken. This is just easy, just that I want to show you guys how I do it, how it's being done the right way. If I'm doing it on my own, I can add the whole chicken at a time and coat them, then I start the frying. So this is what it should look like after coating. I'm done with the whole chicken and it's ready to be fried. Now into a clean pan, I've added enough oil. Once the oil is warm enough to fry, I'll start adding the chicken one by one. In frying this, it's better you fry on a low medium heat so the chicken will cook to the inside. So fry this on a low medium heat and you will get a perfect result. I'll just be frying this for 2 minutes, at most 2 minutes, because chicken breast does not take time to cook. So in frying this, at a point you have to stir gently and continuously to avoid the chicken from getting burnt. Just stir it gently and continuously until you fry it for about 2 minutes and it's ready. So as you can see, the oil has changed color entirely. That is because of the turmeric powder I added to the flour. So that's why I said earlier on, it is totally optional, but it gives the chicken a very good look after frying. So now I'll add in the second batch and repeat the same process by frying it for at most 2 minutes and stirring it gently and continuously. And after that, the popcorn chicken is ready to be served. Oh my god, you can imagine the aroma. You can enjoy this with your ketchup, with your mayonnaise, anything you prefer to enjoy it with. And trust me guys, Your children would definitely like this. Yeah, they would definitely like this. Just try this out at home and you will like it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate your comment. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much. So guys, this is the popcorn chicken I've just prepared. This is so yummy. Guys, try this out using the same method, and don't forget to keep your comments in the comment section below. Let's know how it went and the outcome. Thank you so much. Now I'll open it so you will see how the inside looks like. This is it, guys. It's very well cooked to the inside. That is why I said fry this on a low medium heat and you will get a perfect result. This is just perfect. The aroma is all over the house. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching till the end. Please, if you're new here and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with family and friends. See you all in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.